Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room, it suddenly just felt.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back into another video. So as you can see, I am holding this NITION hair straightener. This is NITION Professional Salon Hair Straightener, argan oil, tourmaline ceramic, titanium straightening flat iron for healthy styling, LCD 265°F to 450°F, 2-in-1 straightener, coily iron for all hair types. So it came in this gorgeous pack, as you guys can see. You can see the packaging is so gorgeous.
Wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city, wasting time. Oh God, I wish you knew. I hate being.
How cute is this purse? They added combs and clips, hair clips, which is so kind.
Could have been. It was just like waking up from a fever dream. When I found out that you.
They added gloves to it, and that is the manual. Everything you need to know about this hair straightener is on it.
If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. 'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips.
So that is the hair straightener. This is the gold color. They sent two to me. So they sent this gold color and the other color silver or silver black, something like that.
Things have happened that I can't explain. Your mind's always still, I know what you're thinking of. The universe is a bitch. Losing it, I'm going crazy. Trying my best just to stay awake. Losing it, I'm going crazy.
Keep away from children.
If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe is a bitch.
So this is the second one. Everything is the same thing. They added gloves, combs as well, like the first one.
'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. You know I don't believe in shit like fate, but lately things have happened that I can't explain. Your mind's always still, I know.
And that is it. It's like black. It's black. Let me say it's black. So this one is black, the black color. So they sent me the gold and black color. And you can see, like I said, the temperature is from 265°F to 450°F. And that is how it came. The fuse, you can see. In case if you are in France, if you want to get this hair straightener, you have to buy an electric adapter, which is the one I just showed you right now. And also, if you buy this hair straightener, there is a nylon that is attached to it. Don't forget to pull it away before plugging it. In short, before using it.
Feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive in cold.
When you turn it to the positive side, it will be hot. So when you want to off it, you turn it to the negative side.
Paradise, paradise, you know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise, I'm taking.
And that is a key, something to lock it, because there's a sign of key on it. You can lock your hair straightener, and it's hot. Within some seconds you plug it, it's already hot. This hair straightener, you can use it for coily hair, and it's made for all hair types, whether you have the Caucasian hair, yaki hair, whatever type of hair you have, you can use this hair straightener. And it's 2-in-1. When you have this hair straightener, you don't need to get another one. You can use it for coils and to straighten your hair. If you are interested in this hair straightener, I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box. If you're interested, check that out.
Paradise, paradise, I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise.
Whether you have dry hair, oily hair, coily hair, normal hair, any hair type you have, you can use this hair straightener to straighten your hair.
Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop.
In case if you want this hair straightener, you can get it from Amazon. When you go to Amazon, you're going to see them. Just write NITION hair straightener and you'll see it there. It's very, very affordable. It's not expensive and it's of high quality. You can see the only thing, when you're using it, you need to wear those gloves. That's the reason why they added those gloves, because it's very, very hot. You guys see, when I'm straightening the hair at the end, I always remove my hand because it was really hot. If not, it's very, very good. You can regulate it to the temperature that you want, and it's made for all hair types.
Let you go, baby, yeah. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no,
It takes some seconds. Immediately you plug it, it takes some seconds for it to get hot. It gets hot very, very fast. You can see the coils, and you can also use it to straighten those coils back, which I did the test at the end. You guys are going to see.
There was a time I didn't have romance, but after I met you, I felt it was my chance. But nobody tells me good things about you, baby. I'm gonna stay right here, and I don't mean maybe. Yeah. I can't let you go. I can't let you go. Yeah. I can't let you go. Yeah.
You can choose the color you want. Comes in gold and black. I don't know if they have any other color, but they send me the black and the gold. All right guys, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video.